This day, keeping your love fresh. Plan some surprise events for your partner to heat up your relationship on memorable days. Be honest and open with your partner about your feelings. But love isn't just about feelings. It's also about actions. If you truly care for someone, you'll take the necessary steps to keep that love alive and vibrant. Don't hesitate to express your feelings of affection toward your partner. They need to feel cherished too. Let's stay positive and keep love alive.